If you're working on Pinterest to promote your stuff, whether they are articles, videos, products, and etc., there are some beautiful websites and tools you gotta know to take your Pinterest game to the next level. And now let's delve into this topic and begin with the first tool for today, that is Pinterest Save Button. It's one of the most popular tools for Pinterest that enables you to share any image you find in the internet. Thus, you can take advantage of this awesome tool to share and promote any article with a click of a button. For example, if we head to this awesome article about how you can read faster, so just you can select one of these beautiful images included in this article, like this one for example, and here you can find over here this icon that refers to Pinterest Save Button. So if you want to promote this article directly to your Pinterest account and your Pinterest board, all you have to do is just you can click over this icon and select your board. That's it. So the first tool for today, that is Pinterest Save Button. The next one quickly, that is Share a Link for Pinterest. It's similar to the previous one to share any image you find in any article or any web page directly to your Pinterest account with a click of a button. So just after adding this awesome tool to your Chrome browser, and here you can find this icon over here in your images, in your articles and your web pages. So if you click over this icon, you can promote and share any article directly to your Pinterest account. The next one quickly, that is Pinterest Sort Extension, sortpin.com. One of the best tools for Pinterest, because this awesome tool enables you to find stats of any pin you want. So for example, after adding this amazing tool to your Chrome browser, so we can head over Pinterest, and here you can find the all stats and the metrics of all these pins as you see. So you can find the volume of engagement of this pin, like saves, comments, reactions, repost and repin, and so on. So here you can find and figure out the most successful pins in your niche and your field. Like this one for example, a lot of saves, and this one for example, and so on and so forth. So you can copy this strategy or this thumbnail or this title description. Okay, perfect. So this awesome tool is so called Pinterest Sort Extension. The next tool quickly, that is Promoted Pin Hider. Promoted Pin Hider. For sure, Pinterest, as one of the best social media, many marketers do a lot of ads on this awesome tool to promote their stuff, articles, products, and so on. So if you want to know what's the most successful pins in your niche, in your field, that grow organically without any ads, so this awesome tool helps you more in that, because this fascinating Chrome extension clear any of these ads in your keyword. So for example, after adding this Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, if you go to Pinterest and look for any keyword or any search term, so here you can find the all ads regarding this query would be blurred like that, as you see. So that way you can find the all successful pins that grow organically by engagement, title, description, and so on. So this amazing tool excludes any ads or any promoted pins regarding your keyword. And the next tool quickly is Pincase Pinterest Video and Image Downloader. One of the most popular Chrome extension tools to download any video, any image from Pinterest. Thus, by using this fantastic tool, Pincase, you can download any video and any image for free directly to your device. And likewise, this amazing tool, Pinterest Video Downloader, is specific more for videos, and this amazing tool, Pinterest Video Downloader. And now let's move on to the next tool for today, that is Pinterest Love Pinterest Screenshot Saver. Honestly, I love this astonishing tool so much, because by this amazing Chrome extension, you can take any screenshot of any web page as a pin image to promote this web page or this article. So to be more clear in that, if we head to this awesome article, so by using this Chrome extension, we can take a screenshot of any part of this article. So you can take a screenshot of a text or a quote or an image and so on. Thus, you can share this screenshot directly to your Pinterest. So for example, after adding this Chrome extension to your Chrome browser, So we can look for it like with this one, Pinterest love, and click over this one. And here you can select pin screenshot, and directly you can select any part of your image or your article, if so to speak. Like this one, for example, I want to share this part of this article, as you see. And now we can take a screenshot. Following that, share this image directly to your Pinterest account. Okay, perfect. And now let's move on to the next tool for today, that is PenDoodle Pinterest Ranking Keyword Tool. You can figure out from its name it's specific to do keyword research on Pinterest. So here by this amazing tool you can get a lot of keywords and hashtags to use in your Pinterest pins. You can know the low competitive keywords that you can include in your title and the description, and likewise in the most successful hashtags. So after adding this Chrome extension, and here you can find two options. You can do keyword research or hashtag research. So we can try this one, keyword research. And here you can insert one of your keywords, like this one, for example, dog lover. Okay. And now you can click over this button, submit. And just a few seconds, this amazing tool shows the most relevant keywords that you can use, include in your title and your description. In addition to that, PenDoodle shows you the volume of competition for these words like dog lover tattoo, medium dog lover quotes so true, and so on and so forth. So you can take these keywords to create new pins regarding your amazing niche and your field. Thus you can use PenDoodle tool to uncover the gems of keyword research and hashtag research. And now let's move on to the next tool quickly, that is Ad Library AddSpy tools for Pinterest. This amazing tool enables you to spy on the running ads regarding your term and your keyword. Thus you can get inspired and copy the title, the keywords, hashtags, and so on in your Pinterest pins. So by this amazing tool you can spy on your competitors. And quickly let's move on to the next tool for today, that is PinInspector.com. PinInspector.com, one of the most powerful Pinterest research tools. It enables you to dig more in depth to find a lot of target keywords, hashtags, niches, and so on, and get a lot of stats and metrics regarding any pin or any board on Pinterest. And honestly, this amazing tool is a software that you can download in your device, and of course it is not free. And the next tool quickly, that is PinEngineer.com. By this fantastic tool you can generate a lot of stylish pins from your image and your article. So what to do, just you can insert here the URL and the link of your article you want to generate a lot of beautiful pins from. So for example we can take this one, for example, okay, copy and go back to our PinEngineer.com and insert here and generate pins. And just a few seconds it gives you a bunch of beautiful pins, stylish pins of this amazing article or this amazing web page, as you see. Of course you can select which images you want to include in your stylish pins. So you can use some of them, or you can use all of them. Okay, use all detected images, done, and boom, here you can find a lot of beautiful Pinterest pins that you can share directly to your Pinterest account, promoting your article or your web page, as you see. And now let's move on to the next tool quickly, that is Tailwind AI Marketing Content Assistant. And for sure you know Tailwind is one of the most familiar tools for Pinterest marketing that enables you to share your pins in an organized manner and schedule your pins throughout the day, weeks, and the months in order to be always active and interactive on Pinterest. So this amazing tool is so called Tailwind. And likewise the next tool, that is Planoly App Loader. It's similar to Tailwind to share your pins in an organized style and schedule your pins throughout the months. And the next tool quickly, that is for sure Canva.com. You can create attractive Pinterest pins in different dimensions to promote your stuff like articles, videos, products, and so on. And the best part here in Canva.com, here you can find huge amounts of ready to use and done for you templates in different niches in different topics. Thus the last tool for today quickly, that is ChatGPT. And for sure, nowadays ChatGPT is the king of AI technology that you can use for your business, whatever it is. And regarding Pinterest, you can make the best of ChatGPT to generate highly creative and clickbait titles, descriptions, and hashtags, and so on, to make your Pinterest stand out of the crowd. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.